Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Roku account sign-in in 2FA step by step clearly. To activate your Roku account sign-in, begin by visiting the Roku website. Click on the sign-in option located in the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have a Roku account, enter your email and password, then click sign in. If you do not have an account yet, select Create Account to set up a new Roku account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and personal details. Once you complete the form, click Submit to create your new account. Next, you will need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Roku. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the Roku homepage and sign in again. Once signed in, navigate to the Account section of your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Add Two-Factor Authentication or Enable 2FA. Click on this option to begin the two-factor authentication setup. You will be prompted to enter your phone number for authentication purposes. Choose between text message or authentication app for receiving codes. If you select text message, input your phone number and click Send Code. If you opt for an authentication app, follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field to verify your phone number. After verification, confirm your choice to enable two-factor authentication. Your Roku account is now secured with 2FA, enhancing your account security. You can manage your 2FA settings anytime through your account dashboard. Be sure to log out of your account when finished for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.